Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're looking to evaluate f of -3, f of 0, and f of 2 for the piecewise defined function. Then sketch the graph of the function. F of x is equal to 3 minus 1/2 x if x is less than 2, and 2x minus 5 if x is greater than or equal to 2. So f of -3 is less than 2, so we're going to use this, 3 minus 1/2 x, 3 minus 1/2 times -3. Negative 1/2 times -3 is positive 3/2, so 3 plus 3/2, and this is equal to 4.5. F of 0 is also less than 2, so we're still using 3 minus 1/2 x. 3 minus 1/2 of 0 this time equals 3 minus 1/2 times 0 is just 0. 3 minus 0, and this is equal to 3. And f of 2 is greater than or equal to 2, so we're going to use 2x minus 5. 2 times 2 minus 5. 2 times 2 is 4, minus 5 is -1. Now we want to sketch the graph of this function. And I'm going to use a pencil here so we can actually erase the parts of the function that are eliminated by the fact that it's piecewise. So first of all, we need to have some points on the axes just so we have a frame of reference. And this is f of x over x. 3 minus 1/2 x, we're going to graph this line. So the y-intercept is 3, and the slope is -1/2. So it looks something like this. It's a negative slope, which means it's of this general form, and it's a shallow slope, right? It's not increasing or decreasing in this case as quickly, and it's going to look something like that. 2x minus 5, the y-intercept is -5, so 1, 2, 3, 4 down here, -5, and we have a positive slope 2, and it's very steep because it's greater than 1, and that's going to look something like this. Next, we have to eliminate parts of these functions, right? So 3 minus 1/2 x is only true if x is less than 2. So x is equal to 2 right here, so we start here, we draw an open circle because it's less than 2, it's not including 2, and then we draw up from there. We are doing 2x minus 5 if x is greater than or equal to 2. So that starts also at x is equal to 2 here on this function, but we have a solid line because it's including 2, and that goes up just like this. And the reason you do pencil is so you can eliminate these parts of the functions. And this is what's left of your piecewise function, f of x, with these values and this graph.